Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I have a product review for you guys from a lip gel mask that actually works. As you guys saw in my thumbnail, that was the before and after. So I'm very excited to share with you guys this lip review because I struggle with my lips so much. So for me to find something that works, it's awesome. And this is from Patchology, is the Flash Patch Hydrating Lip Gels. This was sent to me complimentary from Patchology, but the opinion, as you guys know, 100% of mine. All the product reviews I make, I give my completely honest opinion. And as you guys can see, I've used quite a lot of it. It comes all the way to the top, but I've used quite a lot of it before I did this review because I wanted to test it out because I have very sensitive skin, so I want to make sure it didn't cause me any allergies, it didn't break me out, and didn't do anything unusual before I share the review with you guys. And I'm going to start with the before and after so you can really see how amazing this mask works. On this photo, my lips are extremely dry and I was recovering from a cold. Whenever I try a product, I like trying with different conditions to kind of see how it performs, and I was pretty amazed that even though I was recovering from a cold, my lips were horrible, it still looked amazing right after. Because the problem with my lips is I have very dry lips in general because I like licking my lips, which is a horrible habit. When you lick your lips, you're not moisturizing it, you're just making it more dry, but it's a bad habit I have. And adding to the fact that I don't drink enough water, which I'm really working on it right now, but I still don't drink enough water a day, and that causes dryness. That's why I do, like, lip scrubs are great to exfoliate, but to actually hydrate the lips, you have to put lip balm or do something else. But after finding this mask, I'm amazed that my lips are looking so much more healthy, and I feel like it's holding the moisture more because it has like green tea, it has hyaluronic acid, as you guys know I mentioned on my channel before, which helps to hold moisture on your skin. It has peptides, so it has a lot of great ingredients, and it's also free of latex and other harmful chemicals, which is really good to know. And I also love that the patch stays on your lips. It doesn't fall off. I tried other lip patches before, and they kind of like becomes flimsy, they fall off. Some of them did nothing for my skin. So I'm going to show you now how to apply it. It comes with this little spoon, which is super handy to grab them. You grab them, and then you put on your lips, and then you leave it on for at least 5 minutes. You can leave it longer if you like, but they have a special technology that makes it work quicker than other masks. So I also found this great, especially if you're pressing for time. I like to do it before I do my makeup. I like to do it sometimes in the evening. I've been using this quite regular, and I've noticed my lips are becoming a lot less dry. So when I use it and my lips are not as dry, it just plumps them up and they just look more plumped. And I also noticed the fine lines around my lips are like smoother, which is really cool because as I'm getting older, I'm noticing a lot of more fine lines around my lips. So if you have those, highly suggest this one because it right away you see your lips plumper and the lines are gone. This one, it comes with 24 lip gels and it's $50. But if you do the math, divide 50 by 24, each lip gel is about $2, which is actually cheaper than most lip masks out there because they range from between $3 or $5 for a single one, and I've bought $5 lip masks that did nothing for me. And this one is more expensive because it has 24, but they also have different packages of like 10 and 5, which is a lot more affordable, and they cost between $2 and $2.50 if you break down the price. I'm definitely going to continue using this. I really love it. I'm really excited to share this review with you guys because it's hard. There's so many products in the market that you want to know what works. And I'm very honest with you guys always. I am so happy I had the opportunity to review this mask. I'm so grateful for Octoly for sending to me and for Patchology. So definitely check it out. I also have a discount code that they send it to me to share with you guys. I don't make any commission on it. It's just to help you guys out if you want to try it out. So I'll leave that in the description box below as well as other information. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know if you have any other products you'd like me to review, and also let me know if you tried this mask. Let me know your thoughts or any other questions. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week. Bye.